Hello everyone, this is Mr. Tariq again. Welcome back to my channel. This video will be part 3 of Primary Checkpoint 2016 Paper 1. We have already solved the questions from 1 to 14 and today we will continue from question number 15. Let's get started. So question 15 here we have A, B and C are three vertices of a rectangle. What are the coordinates of the four vertices? So we know that the rectangle has opposite or equal opposite sides. So this side AB should be equal to the other side or the opposite side CD if we pretend this point as D. So if we count here, we have this side AB from 2 to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points. So this side also should be from 2 to 6. And we have the side BC here is from 2 to 7. So this side also should be from 2 to 7. So the position of point D should be here. And the coordinates are 7 in the x-axis and 6 in the y-axis. Question 16. Here is a sequence of numbers. The sequence continues in the same way. 3,100, 13,200, 23,300. So write in figures the next number in the sequence. So obviously this sequence has two parts. We have the 1,000 parts here and the 100 part. So look at the 1,000 part. We have 3,000s and they become to 13,000. So we add 10,000s here and then 13,000 become 23,000s. So the next 1,000 should be 33,000 because we have to add another 10,000s. Here in the hundreds, we have 100, then 200, 300, and obviously this should be 400s. So the number will be 33,400s. Question 17. This shape is translated 3 squares up and 2 squares to the right. Draw the shape in its new position. To do so, we have first to label these squares, and we have to translate each square 3 squares up and 2 squares right. So if we label the squares, we have this number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this square number 1, if we translate it, will be 1, 2, 3 squares to the up and 1, 2 squares to right. So this will be the new position of the square number 1. And we will do the same thing for square number 2. 1, 2, 3 squares up and 1, 2, 2 squares right. Number 3, 1, 2, 3 squares up and 1, 2, 2 squares to right. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. This will be the new position for square number 4. And do the same thing for square number 5. 1, 2, 3 up, 1, 2 right. Now we have to shade the labeled squares here. Square number 1 and square number 2, number 3, 4 and 5. and you can just erase the labeling from here. So this will be the new position of the shape. 18. Draw a ring around all of the numbers that equal 9 when rounded to the nearest whole number. So we have these numbers here: 8.07, 8.8, 9.45, 8.2, 9.54, 8.54. So to round the number to the nearest whole number, first we have to look the number that after the decimal point, the first number after the decimal point, which is 0 here. So if this number is 5 or more, we have to round the number up. So 8 will be 9. And if this number after the decimal point is less than 5, we will just keep the number as it is. So obviously here we have 0 after the decimal point, so we'll just keep it as 8. Here we have 8.8. So this 8 after the decimal point is more than 5, so we have to round the number up and it will be 9. So this number will be 9. 9.45, we have 4 after the decimal point, which is less than 5, so we'll just keep the number as 9. This also will be circled. 8.2, we have 2 here, so this number will be 8. We will not circle this one. 9.5, this number will should have to round it up to 10, so will not be 8 or will not be 9. The last one, 8.5, after the decimal point we have more 5 or more, so this number will become 9. So this number also will be circled. Question 19. Here is a number line. The number line from 0 to 10 thousandths. So estimate the number marked by the arrow. So we need to estimate this number here. So we have this number line divided into equal 10 parts. So to label these parts, we have to divide this number by 10. So 10,000 divided by 10 will get 1 thousandths. So each part here will represent the value of 1 thousandths. So if we started from 0 here, so the next one will be 1 thousandths, 2 thousandths, 3 thousandths, 4 thousandths, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 thousandths. So this number here is obviously between 6 and 7 thousandths, and it is now closer to 6 thousandths. So it's approximately about 6 thousandths and 3 hundredths. 6 thousandths and 3 hundredths. And also 6 thousandths and 2 hundredths will be also right because they are close to each other. Question number 20. What percentage of this shape is shaded? So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 10 squares here and we have only 4 squares shaded. So we have 4 out of 10, right? But we need a percentage. So we know that the percentage means number divided by 100. So to make this fraction like this one, we have to multiply the denominator by 10, so to become 100. And if we multiply here by 10, we have to multiply also the numerator by 10, so we keep the same value of the fraction. So this will be 4 times 10, 40, divided by 10 times 10, 100. Now we have a percentage, it is 40%. Question number 21. A builder has 2,960 bricks. He uses 1,994 bricks to build a wall. How many bricks does he have left? So we have 2,960 bricks. He used 1,994. So we have to make a subtraction. 0 minus 4, take 1 from 6 will become 5. So this will become 10. 10 minus 4, 6. 5 minus 9, take 1 from 9 will become 8. This will be 15. 15 minus 9, also 6. 8 minus 9, we also take 1 from 2. This will become 18. 18 minus 9 equals 9. And here we have 1 minus 1 is 0. So we have 966 bricks. That will be all for now. We will continue in the next part. Don't forget to like and share the video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.